In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get reviews on demand for your audiobooks uploaded to Spotify and audiobooks.com. What is going on, guys? Welcome to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Dane, and on this channel I talk all about self-publishing books through Amazon, online entrepreneurship, and just lifestyle in general. So if that kind of thing interests you, make sure you subscribe, drop a like on the video, and hit the notification bell so you know when I post new videos. In today's video, you saw me mention it in the intro, I'm showing you guys a brand new method to get on-demand reviews for your audiobooks published through Spotify and audiobooks.com. So without further ado, let's jump into my computer here. I'm gonna walk you through exactly how to do it. So as you can see on screen here, getting reviews for audiobooks on Spotify and audiobooks.com. This is a very easy and straightforward method. I'm gonna show you exactly how to do it. So we're gonna be doing this through a platform called Bookblaze. I've talked about it many times before on my channel, but if you haven't heard of it, it's basically a platform where you can get reviews for your self-published books, whether they be audiobooks, ebooks. Everything that Bookblaze offers basically covers everything on the internet when it comes to self-publishing books and getting reviews for them. So Bookblaze recently launched a new feature that allows you to use their platform to redeem your Spotify and audiobooks.com codes directly through Bookblaze, very simply, very easily. So before this new feature, you could only get your ACX codes redeemed through Bookblaze, US and UK codes, and get reviews on Audible. That's all you could really do for your audiobooks. And during that time, Bookblaze facilitated over 20,000 Audible reviews, so they know what they're doing. It was frustrating for audiobook users who publish wide, as they're outside of the 4 main countries that ACX and Audible only accept, which are Canada, Ireland, UK, and the US. So if you're outside of those countries and you're publishing audiobooks, chances are you're publishing them through, say, Findaway Voices, which is Spotify, or audiobooks.com, or one of the other platforms, and you're struggling to get reviews for them because you can't utilize platforms like Bookblaze to do that. Now you can do this, which is very, very, very cool. So you can get all of your Spotify codes redeemed and rated on Spotify, which is up to 100 codes on each platform per audiobook. You can also get all of your audiobooks.com codes redeemed and get your audiobook reviewed on audiobooks.com. This is perfect for publishers who cannot publish their audiobooks on ACX, as Bookblaze now simplifies getting this. You don't have to go through the time-consuming process of trying to find listeners through things like social media groups, Facebook groups, all these things, and do manual outreach, only to not receive a review half the time that you distribute a code. So people take your code and they don't even leave a review. So this is very, very frustrating. Bookblaze now takes care of this, and it makes sure that you get that review for that code. So Bookblaze is not only helping you get the reviews, but it's making sure that people don't take those codes away from you and then just waste them. So I'm gonna do a quick video tutorial showing you how to do things on the Bookblaze platform. First thing I'll show you is how to submit your audiobook to Bookblaze if you haven't done it before. Then I'll show you how to find, claim, and review an audiobook from audiobooks.com. And then I'll show you how you're going to be finding reviewers for your audiobooks once they get approved on the Bookblaze platform. And then finally, I'll show you how to find, claim, and review books for Spotify. So let's jump into the video tutorial here. So as you guys can see on screen here, I've just got a fake audiobook uploaded to make this easier. So I'll show you how we do it. So first thing we're going to do is put the title and then the author name, and then we're going to go through and we're going to add in our codes. Okay, so you can enter in your codes, and when you see these two things, you'll see that if you do select Spotify and you do select audiobooks.com, ACX is going to get blurred out because you can't publish outside of these platforms once you've published the audiobooks onto them. ACX is kind of your exclusive, I should say, to Spotify and to audiobooks.com. So I'll continue this and I'll show you what I mean with the codes here. So once you click into the codes, it's going to pop up and you're going to see that there's only a slot for 50 codes. Now I should mention you can do up to 100 codes. It's just going to have slots for 50. So once those 50 get taken, you can upload the additional 50 afterwards. Okay, so don't worry when you only see 50. You can do 100. It's just it's going to have to wait until you do the first 50, then you can do the additional 50 afterwards. So once you get your codes uploaded for both of these platforms here, you can see there's one for audiobooks.com as well as the Spotify one. We're going to click next at the very bottom after you upload your cover, of course. And then you have a spot for the links to both of your audiobooks. So for Spotify, put your Spotify link there. For audiobooks.com, put your audiobooks.com link there. And then put the genre. Okay, we just, like I said, this is just a made up book for this example. Let's do like romance, put your book description. And then we're gonna answer a few questions that Bookblaze answers as is standard so that you can get your book approved to be reviewed on their platform. So make sure you put this all down. This is also helpful for the reviewer when they're trying to pick and choose a book to review on the platform. So once you have all those things filled in, make sure you add in the length and then click submit. And you're also gonna wanna add in the preview for your audiobook as well, the audio preview. So submit it. Once it's submitted, Bookblaze is usually gonna take around 24 hours. It at most to review your book and get it approved for the platform. But first things first, I will show you guys how it looks like if you're someone who's trying to find a book to review for audiobooks.com. What you can do is go to the top and organize it by the tags here, so you can see there's Spotify books, ACX, and audiobooks.com. So in this example, I'll show you guys how to do audiobooks.com. So we'll select that. It's going to show you audiobooks.com books that are published on here and waiting for reviews. So you can see this one right here. You can click it. So once you click into this page, you're going to see the details for the book that's on audiobooks.com. You can see there's a URL here. You can see a little description like the one we just entered for the book when we uploaded it. And we'll keep scrolling down. You can see the length, and you can go pick this audiobook. And then once you click on that, it's going to say, are you sure you're about to pick this audiobook up for review? Are you sure you want to commit to listening to this book? So there's going to be no review process. It's just going to automatically give you the right to give the book a review. So it's going to ask you twice there. So once you do that, you can click yes, pick this book. Okay, and then success, and it's going to take you to a new page here. And once you've claimed the book, you can see you can go to reviews due, click on that, and then click on the book. You'll see it pop up here. And then you can scroll down, and you're going to see on the right-hand side, there's going to be a code that you can utilize on audiobooks.com to redeem the book and get it for free. Listen to it, give your thoughts, review it, and then submit it on the platform. So I'll show you what that looks like right now. If you've already claimed books previously on audiobooks.com, log into your account. You can see here, click on my account, then scroll down to have a code redeemed and redeem the code there. So this one up top is only if you haven't done it before and it's your first time doing it. So in this instance, I'll just show you what it looks like if you've already done it before. Paste the code in there, click apply code, and then you're going to see you can do get offer, listen to the book, go through it, and then once that's all done, you can scroll to the very bottom, or on the right here, sorry, you can click on I have redeemed my audiobooks code. Just make sure you do that so that it's clear that you redeemed it, so no one else can take that code. So you can see I have redeemed the code and listen to the audiobook, and then you can click I've submitted the review once you've done that, okay? So click off your tasks and click submit, and then copy what you did on the platform. You're going to see that on audiobooks.com, it's very similar to Audible. So you're going to see there's like a name area, and then there's a star rating system. And your review is going to look like this. I'll show you on screen here. You can see the reviews, what they look like on audiobooks.com. It's going to show a name, your star rating, and then some text, okay? Just so you guys are aware of what that's going to look like once you submit the review on the platform. Once that's all done, you can click on submit, and you'll be good to go with your audiobooks.com review. Now I'm going to quickly show you how to submit your book for review when it comes to Spotify. Okay, so what you're going to do is click on Find Reviewer once your book has been approved on the platform. And this is also going to work for audiobooks.com, so I'll kind of show you that right now. So once you've got your codes all ready to go, you can see there's different spots here. They're already uploaded and everything. The book's been approved. You have the codes added. It's going to cost that amount, so you can click them, check them off, all that kind of stuff, whatever platform you're looking to get the reviews for. And you can see how much they cost there. When you click that, you can see 1,000 coins for 4 days for the turnaround time, just for how long it's going to take. Okay, and again, make sure that you do have the right audiobook URL. Okay, so in this instance, we're going to do Spotify. The URL will automatically change to the one that you uploaded already, so it should be okay, but just double check that. Okay, and then at the very bottom, you can do the approval type, make it open, or I prefer to vet listeners. If you want to get the reviews quicker, usually make it open is the best way to go about with this. And you click on Find Reviewer, and yes, find reviewers, right? Then your book is going to be posted to the BookBlaze platform, and you can wait for reviewers to roll in. So this is what it's going to look like for the reviewer side of things when they're looking for a Spotify book, for example. Very similar, or exactly the same process as we used before. I'm going to go up here and select it by Spotify audiobooks. You can see the one we just submitted is on there. Click the Spotify one, and you can see it's very similar. There's a bit of a difference, but you can just go down, pick this audiobook, click OK, and then go ahead and do it. Since we didn't do vetting, it's going to automatically give you the book right away. So once you've picked the book, you can go to Reviews Due on the left, go to Audiobook Reviews Due again, and you'll see that you have the Spotify one. You can see the logo there for the platform. Spotify code, click it, open it up, and you'll see the Spotify code is on the right here, okay? So you can see, before we move on to that, there is a link here for you to redeem the Spotify code. Copy that code, click this link, go to it. It'll take you to this page right here. It looks something like this. It might change a little bit depending on the time that you're doing this. Enter the code, enter your email, and continue. And you should note that, please note that you should have a Spotify account to redeem the code. So if you don't have an account on Spotify, make sure you have an account before you redeem the code. That's why it asks for an email there, so it can connect it to your Spotify account, okay? And another important thing is please attempt to redeem the Spotify code before selecting that you have redeemed it on the BookBlaze platform, okay? So make sure you redeem it and then come back to BookBlaze and click I have redeemed my code. Okay, once you select that, you have redeemed the code, you will not be able to cancel the task. So make sure that you do it in that order. Click on yes once you've done that. Okay, it's been successfully redeemed. You can see a cancel goes away. And again, you have a task list. So I've redeemed the Spotify code, listened on Audiobook, and I've submitted the star rating on Spotify. And we're gonna click submit. And the thing with Spotify is it's a little bit different than Audible and say audiobooks.com. There's no text area. There's no profile area on Spotify. It's just an anonymous rating system on their platform. So I'll show you how in this video, how you can verify that you actually left the review. It's very simple. So what we're gonna do is actually take a screenshot of the review that we leave on the platform. Okay, so once you've left the review, you can see this is what they look like at the bottom here. Well, this is the Spotify platform, but at the top, we'll go to the stars here for this book example. And you can see your rating is here. Once you have that and it's submitted like that, because you've already done it, you're just gonna take a screenshot of the screen. If you're using a Mac to take a screenshot, on your keyboard, you can go Command-Shift-4, and that's gonna open up this screenshot page, and then you can select the area that you wanna take the screenshot of. Take the screenshot, that'll go to your desktop most likely, or your downloads. And once that's there, you can upload that screenshot to BookBlaze, add your star rating that you added on Spotify, and it's gonna verify that you left the review on the platform for the person who uploaded their book to BookBlaze. Okay, submit it, and you're good to go. And then from the publisher side of you, let's go into Find Reviewer, and you're gonna see that there is actually a review left on there. You can see total reviews, 5 stars, and then you can see the Spotify code was redeemed. And you can also see the screenshot to verify that the person left the review on the platform properly. And you also can see in the code area that one was redeemed, and these 3 are still available. All right. So hopefully that was clear to you guys. If you have any questions or anything like that, of course, leave them in the comment section down below, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. If you're someone who hasn't used BookBlaze before, you don't know what the platform's all about, here's why you should definitely choose the platform if you're looking at reviews for your self-published books. Okay, so BookBlaze is proven by 100,000 plus book reviews. There's over 100,000 book reviews that have gone through the BookBlaze platform, and over 20,000 audiobook reviews. It's also trusted by 1,500 plus different self-publishers and authors. Of all the review platforms on the internet, BookBlaze caters to the most publishing platforms, okay? 8 in total. So not just Amazon, it does Goodreads, Barnes & Noble, Kobo, Apple Books, Spotify, audiobooks.com now. All these kinds of platforms that other review platforms don't cater to. It's also the only platform to offer this service for both books and audiobooks within one single dashboard. It's also, of course, the only platform that offers Spotify and audiobooks.com right now when it comes to getting reviews for those audiobooks. It's also the only platform offering video reviews. And finally, it's the only platform where you can get verified reviews for low content books that are priced up to $10. Okay, so that's just a few reasons to choose BookBlaze. There's many, many more. It's definitely the best platform right now to get reviews for your books. So if you want to give BookBlaze a try, there is a link in the description. One quick thing I wanted to mention here is that BookBlaze has actually been kind enough to open up a 50% off first month when you sign up now using the link down below, and use the code DANE50 when you check out. So that's 50% off your first month when you sign up for BookBlaze. Give it a try, see what it's like, get some reviews for your books. I promise you, you won't be disappointed. Anyways, guys, that's it for this video. Hopefully you enjoyed this quick run through of how to get reviews for your books on audiobooks.com and on Spotify when it comes to publishing your audiobooks wide. If you have any questions or anything, like I said, leave them in the comment section down below. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video on the channel.